Hi everyone. Today I pulled out the last remaining elephant garlic bulb from our garden. This particular bulb, I left the flowering stem intact so that it can develop a flower. I wanted to see what kind of flower it grows. And this flowering stem proceeded to be almost 4 feet tall, and it has produced a big flower like this. There are many different ways you can grow elephant garlic. One of the ways is, of course, you can buy an elephant garlic head. I bought mine from a big box store, not necessarily for seed purposes, but for consumption. But I gave it a try anyways, and I do have had good results. One of the ways to grow elephant garlic is take off one of the biggest cloves or a couple of biggest cloves you have and put them in the ground for next year's crop, and they will develop a full head. So if you have the option to either plant this or this, always select this and don't plant this. This smaller clove would produce a smaller head of garlic, and that's proven. Second thing is, you would see when you pull out your garlic from the ground, you would see these teeny tiny things called bulbils hanging off the root. So these bulbils are energy store for your elephant garlic, and they are also the means to propagate the garlic. Basically, garlic can reproduce from this as well. So what you can do is, instead of throwing these away or not using them, you can put them in ground, and in 1 year's time, these bulbils would develop into what you're looking at here. They would become a single head of, or a single clove garlic. So when you pull it out, you would have the flowering stem attached right here. And instead of many different cloves in the bulb would just consist of this one garlic clove. And if you happen to plant this again in the ground for the second year, so first year you put these in the ground and you get a single head, bulbils in the ground and you get single head. If you plant this in the ground, then you would get a full head of garlic. So you can get garlic from bulbils as well. What I don't know, and what my question to folks who have been doing this for years is, can I produce garlic from the seeds which are in the garlic flower here? So if I happen to take out these seeds and put them in the ground, would I get garlic from them? I understand it might take me 2 or 3 years to produce a full head of garlic, but I want to know if somebody is doing this out there, is it possible? So let me know in comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.